Hello, this is Jason, and I'm getting ready to go stay at the White House. Not that one, but here on Sukhumvit 18, right at this mango sticky rice restaurant, is a place called White House. So let's go check it out. Oh, this is how'd it go? It's the Jason Phillips check-in.
Check-in?
Yeah.
Check-in 2 p.m.
Okay. Can I leave my stuff here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Got checked in the elevator. Pretty cozy elevator. Room 205. On this side. And it's right here. Let's see what. Some water. And this has an actual caveman style key. So, no frills. Bigger than the S box though. At least I can turn around in here. Oh, but even smaller TV. Not a very good TV. My laptop screen's better. Little vanity. Safety box. Place to hang up some clothes. Wet bath. Not my favorite. But I guess that's the toilet paper. It's kind of like Kleenex. And hopefully there's hot water. Oh yeah, here's the heater. I didn't see it over there. So, that towel's not the newest looking, is it? But these towels look okay. That's a nice towel. And, oh, bed, no, very firm. Oh yeah, that's hard. Oh. Pillow's nice though. Like, I still don't understand why they like to sleep on hard beds. Like, they have soft pillows. Why don't they have a hard brick pillow to lay on? I just don't get it. One last thing. Got some ridiculously fast internet speeds here. 523 down, 609 up. So uploading YouTube videos will be a breeze from here. If that can make up for the very firm mattress. Alright, well, this is the White House, so you know what you're in for when you book a room. And this is about $34 a night, which is about the same price as the S-Box hotel. And this one's a little bit closer to Asoke. I'm only like a block away from the Asok BTS and like Terminal 21 and stuff, so pretty convenient location. And that's all I got for this one. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.
Don't even think about it.